Namaste. My name is Tulsi Devi. I am doing the practice to touch the water element. We can see here the nice rain is going on, and you can see the rain for next 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes I will do the practice to stop the rain. 2 minutes starts now. Today is 10th of January 2023. We are in Cambodia country. It's nice heavy rain is going on. While I am talking and doing the practice, I am doing the prayers and invoking deities silently. I am a student and developing my abilities to touch various elements. Our master asked me to perform this task. Our master's teachings are from Himalaya mountains of India and Nepal. These teachings includes vertical and horizontal Kundalini teachings. By using these teachings, we can touch various elements. We know that there are 5 gross elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Along with these 5 gross elements, there are more elements: light, shadow, expansion, contraction. These are also elements. Total, there are 36 elements. Our body is also made up of 36 elements. The rain is slowed down.